Be blessed by the divine. For today's thought, we're continuing to think about the genetic center. We were comparing the genetic center along with the USB flash drive or the memory card. So we learned that we cannot use the memory card directly. So we need some sort of an equipment to get that attached as a peripheral device and make use of it. Similarly, there are other devices, other pieces, goes together to make up a full-fledged functioning computer. So now we'll just stick on to that memory card, right? So if we want to write anything, we need to use the full computer and write something, overwrite something. And if we want to format it also, we can format it. But there's one more level where we can actually use a demagnetizing device, degaussing, or degausser, right? So you can put it on top and within a fraction of a second, it will be reset. The whole thing is gone. At that time, that memory card is unusable. Can you put it back onto the computer, make use of it? You can't. So as long as the memory card is actually in a good standing where you can actually write on it, keep stuff on it, then it is in a good standing. So if you have the option of writing good or bad. So that memory card does not know whether it is good or bad, but you're the one actually making or choosing to write good or bad. So whatever it is written on it, recorded on it, that is what it will play back. Unless there's some sort of a virus or whatever goes in, it corrupts everything, then you won't be able to read it. So that's a malfunctioning or damaged. So you write onto it, you read from it. There's a correction. So the computer, wherever the memory card is connected to, the computer can be able to write onto it and read from it. So we need the full functioning computer. So the content, what is going on to the drive, that decides the category of the memory card. Similarly, what we are imprinting on our genetic center, that is the only thing will come back as our playback. In our case, the playback is in the form of our thoughts. We all learned that genetic center is an intensified magnetic field. In the center, we have a fraction representation of the emptiness, which is state of God, the divinity. So from there, everything is coming from. It is functioning as magnetic field. The magnetic field, magnetic waves are the ones known as our thoughts, which is coming from our genetic center. Let us keep these in our mind and continue our thoughts, research on those. People who are inspired by all these thoughts from our Guruji, keep on researching, keep reading more, and enhance your knowledge base. Be blessed by the divine. Thank you for the opportunity to serve you all aspirants. Be blessed by the divine.